Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening Meet. Make sure you're the host or have presenter permission. Once done, open the calendar invite or create one, add guests, and attach slide files. Next, test your camera and mic. Use a headset for clear sound and reduce feedback. Make sure background noise is low and your internet shows stable upload speed. These first actions get everything ready so you can start presenting without interruptions or permission delays. Now you'll share your content and control what participants see. Click Present Now and decide. Entire screen for switching apps, a specific window for slides, or a Chrome tab if you need audio from a video. Choose the Share Audio option when needed. Once sharing, pin or spotlight the presenter to keep attention on you and use captions for accessibility. Also manage participant tiles and mute noisy attendees so audio quality stays consistent. To finish, stop sharing and wrap up with a clear call to action. Invite questions via chat or unmute for discussion. If you recorded, stop the recording and let it save to Drive, then share the link and captions with attendees. Before leaving, confirm any follow-ups and end the meeting for all if you're the host. If things go wrong, for example audio echo or no sound, rejoin the meeting, check mic/camera permissions, or switch to your phone's hotspot to isolate network issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.